So I discovered something that's pretty incredible. I discovered peace. It took me 46 years, and I discovered how to shut my damn mind down, shut my thoughts off. So amazing, and I'm going to explain how I did it. It's very challenging. And I want to hear anybody's feedback that's done this, that's doing it, that's experiencing it. Please, I want your feedback. I read everybody's comments. So I was soaking in a bath the other day, and I got a big soaker bath, put some Epsom salt in it, some bubbles, lit some candles, soaking in a bath, right? And I was listening to some different type of music that my girlfriend had on, and I closed my eyes and I tried, to connect, and I basically connect to my higher self. Okay, now your higher self is whatever you choose it to be. My higher self is my higher self within me. I now have my sources, my guides, my spirits, the universe. We have it all. So whatever you classify it, whatever you call it, whatever you want to, totally up to you. But what I was doing is, and I'm okay with everything. I mean, but believe in yourself. That's what I'm talking about. Believe in yourself. Believe. So what I did is I was challenged to focus out the noise, and to focus, right? Just to get rid of the noise and focus on me, focus on my breathing, focus on me. So if a thought starts coming in, I just shake it off. I push it off. As soon as I hear the first letter or something, I push it off. And then I just kept focusing. And then I hear something, I shake it off. And I got to a point that it was, I achieved it. And then here's what's even crazier. Then all of a sudden, my girlfriend, she started shaking my legs and, waking me up, and dancing and moving me around and giving me so many distractions. It wasn't a distraction. Don't get me wrong. But in the moment that I was at, it was a distraction to what I was trying to accomplish, right? So what happened is it just amplified. So once I passed that first level of actually being able to subconsciously block anything that all my thoughts and all the noises, okay? All my thoughts too, because your mind will run. If it runs like mine, your mind's gonna go and go and go and go and go. I've never been able to shut my mind up. So this was the first time that's ever happened. And so I subconsciously blocked out the noise, and then I consciously, I guess, what would be called consciously? Yeah. I don't think it's subconsciously. I think it's consciously, where I actually blocked out my thoughts, because I believe my thoughts are subconscious. So I consciously blocked the thoughts, and subconsciously, I believe, blocked the noise, right? And then my partner started shaking my legs, doing this and doing this. So then I had to even battle that part, right? I did it. I failed the test. I failed the test. I was told I failed the test, so it's going to be happening again. But I can tell you that there was basically three layers of tests to see if I can go through and be able to connect with my inner self. Because once I connect with my inner self, I will be able to share my experience with the world. Share all my experience, all the way from living on the streets, to owning businesses, to becoming spiritually connected, spiritually divine, to becoming a motivational speaker, an inspirational speaker, and to help you, motivate you now that you're on a frequency level where you're going to see my videos. My videos, I don't care how many people are following them. The people who are following them are the people who need to see them. There's a message in one of my videos that's going to connect and resonate with you. It doesn't matter if it's frequency. It doesn't matter if it's business. It doesn't matter if it's love and relationships. It doesn't matter if it's spirits and spirituality. It doesn't matter, because I have spent my lifetime becoming a master of my life. So there's nothing that I am scared of doing, and nothing I haven't experienced yet. Well, there is a few things, and I don't ever speak those, but I master my own life. So what I've been doing now is trying to master my mind, master my thoughts. You get over 72,000, 74,000 thoughts a day. Most of the time, you just, they're gone. They come in and they go, and you don't even think about them. They're a thought. They may become an idea. They may become a consideration. They may become a problem. They may become inspiration. They may become, knowledge, whatever it is. All these thoughts are feeding your mind something. So with that being said, how do you shut off your thoughts? And that's what I had to do. How do you shut off your mind? It was so hard. As I started getting additional distractions, I had to consciously ignore the feeling, how it felt to my body with, when my partner's, shaking me and, rubbing me on my shoulders and this. So I had to ignore the feeling. I had to ignore the touch. I had to ignore the sounds. I had to ignore my, and there's going to be something else, the smells, because there's smells going on as well. So all your senses are heightened when you're connecting at a certain frequency level. So I had to ignore all these elements that surrounded me. And then the last thing I had to ignore is my mind. Boy, that damn thing wouldn't shut up. That was like, man, it was hard, but I did very good. I'm practicing every single day. And I can tell you this, I did do it. I did accomplish it, but a very short period of time. And then, most of the time something would start to come in my thought and I would immediately stop it. As soon as I hear the first letter, I'll be like, nope. Even if you're talking to yourself, it's still a thought. What you need to do is you need to shut it all down. That is the golden secret. Because when you shut it all down, you'll really, truly, honestly see you. And you, where your level, where you're at, where your whole life. You know the world's changing. You know that as well as I do. I'm not here to bullshit you. Everything's changing. Look at the planetary alignment. Look what's going on. I think Pluto's is going in something for the first time in 16 years, or Pluto's leaving something or something, which is a major shift. This is a major shift. And regardless if you believe it or not, I don't know much about it, but I know it's true. I feel it. I see it. I experience it. So the most important thing I wanted to, tell you about in this entire video here is control your thoughts and learn how to turn them off. Practice them. Lay in your bed, listen to some frequency music, or listen to any kind of music. Listen to rock and roll for all I care. Listen to whatever the hell you want to listen to. And then what you're going to do is you're going to try to block that noise. You're going to try to block it. And you're going to go deep inside your own mindset, your own brain, your own intellectual beings of who you are. You're going to go into it. And then, then when you start hearing your thoughts come out, when you start thinking, your thoughts are coming out. As soon as you hear it, say, nope. Nope. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Every time you even think of something coming in, nope. Then eventually stop saying no, because it's going to stop at the first letter. You're still going to hear the first letters. Let's say I'm telling myself, this is crazy, right? Hypothetically speaking. So as soon as I hear it, my mind's now stopping it, because I already said it no so many times over and over and over again. I'm subconsciously now reprogramming my mind to stop my thoughts for a moment, to allow me to connect with my inner self. Once I connect with my inner self, I know anything and everything in life is possible. You can do whatever the hell you want. Once you connect with your inner self, you have more belief, you have more knowledge, and you have more power than you can possibly think you have. You're at a level now, if you're watching this video, that you're at a level now that I assure you, you wouldn't be listening to me. I promise you that. And I'm hoping I could connect with somebody and anybody and everybody on this video here, because I'm just being real. I am telling you what I am doing right now, what I'm going through, and there's millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of you going through the same exact thing right now as we had this shift in the universe and the world. Going from the old world to the new world. It's shifting, it's changing, and you know that. I want to get your feedback on it. I don't care if you think I'm crazy. Put it on there. I'm crazy. I love you too, and I wish you the best of luck. But you know what? I don't think you're going to even find this channel if you think I'm crazy. Because if you're on this channel, that means somehow, some way, your frequency has increased. Otherwise, you would not see me. You would not find me, and you sure in the hell would not be speaking to me. And I'm saying this with confidence. I'm saying this with faith. I believe it. So if you're seeing this, congratulations, great job. Keep up the great work. Focus on your thoughts. Focus on your thoughts. Leave some feedback. Share, like, and comment. Do what you got to do. You have a great night.